Hi, my name is Jack Steele with Barletta Boat Company, and I'm here to show you how to use your optional RGB light package. First things first, you're going to want to hold the button down for a second, and that'll turn it on. And once it's turned on, you're able to switch through the colors by just the touch of the knob. Press it again, and you can control the brightness by turning right to go up or left to dim down. Press it again, and then you're in a color changer mode, and it'll cycle through the colors as you rotate the knob, either faster or slower. You go right for fast and left for slower. And then to turn it off, just press it again for a second, and you're off.